What's up, Mark? We're gonna do this in real time, and I'm gonna follow along with the Word document so you know exactly what we're doing. In my opinion, this should take even less than the others because there's only 5 pages, and a lot of it is just code stuff. Okay, so right off the bat, Gene Whip build out. Delete all pages except for the home page. Okay. Use Haberdasher blog theme is what we're going to use. Blog. Haberdasher. Right here. Okay. Choose random color. Click on plus icon for more choices. So what I mean is this. And how we'll differentiate is just, you just choose any random color. So we'll just go with a nice blue for this one. Create confirmation page. So this one's familiar. I'm going to hide that in navigation. No header. And let's go ahead and pop this in there. And the blog is Why Business Review. Of course, we want to make this look good. More feedback. Boom. All right. Center line. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Create shell page, basically. We only need 2 of these. It's going to be the about. Title. Image. Text. And contact form. Name. Phone number, email. And then, as you'll notice, the only thing that's different is we don't have project details because that doesn't make sense. So we'll have a combination of these two. Submit Why Business Review. Link to the combination page. And I need to figure out Why Business. Email we wanted was this one. Cool. Button needs to be in the middle. Okay. Image. I haven't created the image that I want to use yet, so for now, we're going to leave this be, but I will let you know what that'll be. So yeah, that's what we want, and then we will go ahead and copy that only once for the contact page. But of course, I messed up the layout. I haven't done this in a while because you've been doing it for me. So I forgot to make sure that this is correct format before I copied it. Boom. Okay, we're all good. All right. So blah, blah, blah. Duplicate for 2 total pages and set the navigation bar, which is about in contact. That's right. Make sure duplicated has correct form order. Didn't follow my advice. No need for Pixlr Phone for this one. We're actually just going to add text, and we're going to make it the Hawaii Business Review. We're going to change the font site of the title to Oswald so it looks better. Site title, Oswald. Oswald. Okay, so yeah, I like that size. All right, footer layout if accessible. I'm not gonna, you know how to do that. So for this tutorial's purposes, we don't have to do that. For the weather page, very simple. Just gonna make a page called weather. No header. And all you have to do is click on this. Choose a 36-hour widget and put the target location, which is Hawaii. I guess it doesn't matter which one. Blah, blah, blah. And yeah, get this widget. Oh wait, no, that's not it. Grab the code. Select code. And you just go back here and you drop the embed code in. Double click, edit, and just paste it. Paste in the code that you should have been copied right here. Boom. And that will create a weather widget that will load if I go back to it. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. All right, that's all we need to do for the weather page. And then we need to create 8 blog posts. For the purposes of this video, I guess I'll just do 1 blog post to save time. But what we do is we create a blog page, and we call it blog with no header. Okay, this is a new header. Come on, Weebly. All right, cool. And then we have 8 of them, so just like it's a page, just like 6 service pages, we have 8 blog posts. But this is usually quicker. So we put new post, and we'll take whatever the first page is. So I have, say, business is one of them. We'd have the title. Boom. That's not the title. This is the title. Come on. Oh my god, what the heck. Copy and paste isn't working. Copy. Paste. What is going on? Alright, well, that is a malfunction on my part. Blue water and green business in Hawaii. Water and green business in Hawaii. There we go. We would date it some random date. So since we have 8, I want, maybe 2 in 2015, 2 in 2016, a few in 2017. You get that picture. So it is so that it seems aged. And we would just copy the contents in here as well as the picture. And instead of hanging it on the top left corner, I'm okay with just making it a huge picture for the blog. And Hawaii Business Review. Okay, so she'll have pictures already set. So business, right? Boom. There we go. And you just do that 8 times. Oh, and forgot one last thing is you also have to set the category. And this one would be business. Boom. And you would save it. Or I guess you would post it. You would post it. Don't mind me. Draft. Post that sucker. Post it. That's fine. Post. Boom. Alright, so we'll have our archives, we'll have our business. I want to delete this author part. Alright, we'll do that 8 times for all 8 posts. And the last thing we'll do is we're going to copy and paste this small code on the right hand side right here. And that code is going to be the same every time. It's this code. What it does is it creates a little Google News feed so it looks like a real website. Boom. I want weather. Okay, I want the nav menu to be laid out like this. Home, blog, or no, home, about, blog, weather, contact. Alright, that's the layout that I would like. I don't need to do the contact and the about. You know what, in this video, you know what needs to be done there. So I'm just going to skip ahead to the home. The home's going to look like this. All right, we have a header with the background picture of the target location, a little subtitle if you like, if you're creative. Sometimes you don't even need it. We'll have something that will lead to the blog, recent stories, popular posts, whatever. Be creative with this button. And then we'll have a button that leads to the contact page. Tell us your story, reach out, contact us. You get that. Title, text, and a contact or about us button. Title, gallery with each of the 8 categories. So it looks like the only thing that I need to include in this video is probably the gallery. And let me show you how we would do that, because I'm not sure you've ever done captions in gallery yet. So we would just literally put one of each. So one of the other. It's better to do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And make sure that whatever you use for the home, use the other for the blog post, okay? Alright, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on the outer part and make it 4 columns each. And then for the caption, you would just put whatever the caption is. Business. I think this is food. Health and lifestyle. I'm just guessing, right? I'd have to look at the Jotform, obviously. And then how that's going to pop up is by going to advanced, caption, and you would put it as partial thumbnail, so that it would be a partial at the bottom. And it's not going to show up unless you kind of, let's see, caption. This caption is saved when I write it. Food. Oh, you got to press done. Okay. Caption. Business. Done. Okay. So yeah, I'm not going to go through all of it in the video, but this will link to the blog. Each one individually. You have to do it each time. Blog, link to blog, link to blog, link to blog, link to blog. Okay, so you get that part. Down here, the writing team's going to have two little headers, and it's going to look like this. So they'll have two headers, this and this, right? And you're going to make it look like this. Bold this one, don't bold it. Do a little divider, closing paragraph, and then get your business reviewed today, or would you like your business reviewed? Switch it up for the contact page, and that is it. That should be in a nutshell. Let me know if there's anything in the video that you don't understand or have questions about. But at the very least, this should be enough to build a shell before you ask questions and stuff like that. All right, let me know.